You are now looking at Microsoft Word, and Microsoft Word has a feature that will allow us to create a web page fairly quickly. Now you'll notice that there is content here on this page and an image. What we're going to do right now is we're going to drag another image onto this Microsoft Word page, and we're just going to drag and drop that image right in the middle. And what we're going to do now is we're going to save the page. So we're going to go to the File command. We're then going to click Save As. And we're going to save this page as index. And what we're going to do now is we're going to save this file as a filtered web page. We're going to click Save, and then we're going to click Yes. And when we go to our directory and we click this link that says index and open up our browser, we see our web page. And when we upload our content via FTP, we can see our content on the web. Now we open our file inside of our HTML editor. You'll notice some of the familiar terms. We can work with our content inside now of this program. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.